Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So for today's video, I am doing something really fun. I am showing you guys how to apply magnetic eyelashes without the eyeliner, okay? And I'm wearing them right now. They're super cute, I know, right? But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I'm on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. So I just want to start this video off by saying thank you to Bouji Lash for sponsoring this video. So make sure you check them out. I will leave all information down in the description box below. So Bouji Lash has reached out to me to try out their magnetic eyelashes, and here they are. They were kind enough to send me a pair for free, so I'm super excited about this. I love this packaging. Like, ain't it cute? So when you open it, it looks like this. So it comes with the applicator right here, and then the lashes are in here. It's 2 strips per lash. One goes at the top of your eyelid and the other one goes down at the bottom. And then I have the other pair right here. So all you need is the application tool and the lashes. So I'm about to put these on, but before I do that, I'm just gonna put a coat of mascara on my natural lashes just so that the eyelashes have something to cling on to. I'm going to be using the Kush mascara from Milk Makeup. It's just this one right here. You can use whichever eyelashes. You can use whichever mascara you would like. So I'm just gonna do a coat on my natural lashes. Okay, now that I have done that, I'm going to take the applicator tool and the first pair of lashes. So what you want to do is take the lash and then line it up correctly on the applicator. So this lash right here is the top right eye. I know that it's the top right eye because the inside corner is shorter on the left side, so that would go on my right eye, and I know that it's the top lash because the magnets are at the bottom. So I'm just going to line it up with the inside. So I'm just going to line it up. It's kind of hard to see, so I lined it up on the inside of the applicator right here at the top, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the bottom. I know that this is the bottom lash because the magnets are at the top, so they're just going to clamp down on my natural lash this way. So now I have both lashes in place, and I'm gonna keep them. I'm not gonna clamp it down right now because the magnets would connect. But as you can see, I have the lashes flaring out this way because they're about to go on my eye. Now that we're super close and zoomed into my face, you guys can watch me apply this. So I'm just going to put my hands on the applicator like this. I'm going to, it's hard when I'm looking in the camera and the mirror. So what I'm gonna do is take the top part of the applicator and lightly press my eyelid back a bit, like lift it back, and then slowly close down and then apply the lash. Okay, so that was my first go around. I can get it a little bit better on this side, so I'm actually just going to take it off and reapply it. Taking the lashes off are really easy. You can just pull them and they come right off like that. So again, I'm just gonna go to the top of my eye and get it as close to my lash line as I can. And then I'm going to clamp down. So now we have one lash on. My eyes are a little big, so you know, I like to put them towards the center of my eye. I might end up moving this one over. But let me just go ahead and do the same thing on this side. So now I have both of the lashes on and they are secured. I feel it a little more on my left eye rather than my right eye. I think I want to move my right eyelash. Yeah, I'm gonna move my right eyelash over just a little bit, just so it flares out a little more on this side. So one more time for the right eye. Okay, I'm just gonna move it over just a little bit, like over here. And there we go. And as you can see, I have both lashes on my eyes, and it was as easy as a 1, 2, 3. I really like these. They're super pretty. I kind of wish I could have got them a little bougier. Like, I kind of wish I did. So these were a lot faster to put on than regular lashes, where you have to apply the lash with glue and wait for the glue to dry and all that jazz. This is mess free. This was easy peasy lemon squeezy. I love them so much. Oh my god. My eyes don't feel heavy or anything like that. I just know that my lashes are securely on. So if there was wind, if it rained, I'm not worried about my lashes lifting up in the corners. I'm not worried about one of them falling off, because I know that they are secured to my lashes. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Sorry, I keep looking at myself in my mirror down here. But I love them so much. So all in all, I will definitely say that these magnetic lashes are beginner friendly. Anybody can use them, and I think they are easier than doing the regular eyelash or even the magnetic lashes with the eyeliner. I do have videos out on both how to apply regular lashes and magnetic eyelashes with eyeliner, so I will leave both those videos up in the cards and down in the description box below, so make sure you check those out if you are interested. All in all, I will say I think these magnetic lashes are easier to apply, just because it's no hassle, no mess, no eyeliner, no problem, right? All in all, I would highly recommend Bouji Lash, and I will leave their information down in the description box, so make sure you check them out as well. Okay, and that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give me a big old thumbs up. Also, let me know down in the comments, what kind of eyelash girl are you? Are you a traditional eyelash and glue type of girl, or are you willing to try magnetic eyelashes like I did? Please let me know down in the comments, because I would love to hear it. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because baby, I'm on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a